Show bana ba papa a re le ke go tswella gone ya. So today ke batla go simola pele ka kgang ya di-trend. We have some types of trend tse e le gore ke tsaya gore le le bantsi le familiar le tsone ha e le gore le kile la researcha ka Forex. Yeah, we have 3 types of trends. Re na le mo re go bitsa re ke uptrend e le gore e tsamayang so wa one. And then re na le downtrend yone ke le gore e tsamaya so wa one. E na le dilo tse di hatse di bitswa go twe ke gore downtrend e makiwa ka di-higher low le di-lower low. Mo go ha go bitswa go twe ke higher low because it is higher than this previous lower one. Mo go bitswa go twe lower low. This is lower low, this is a lower low when we do a continuation here. And then mo uptrend mo le go bitswa go twe ke di-higher high. Go di-higher high le di-higher low. Yeah, these things se tshwanetse. Mo ke higher low, higher low. That's how we call it. And then re na le mo go bitswa go twe ke consolidation. Consolidation ke mo e le gore market o tla bo sa ye gope, mo e le gore o bona go tsamaya go golowane so wa bona o bona ntse e re yana e boa so ke gone mo go bitswa consolidation mo e le gore market o go golowane. Ke tsaya gore la e tshwara. And then another thing se ke batla gore re se face gompieno a ke re kgang ya stop loss ke includile maabane ya stop loss le take profit. But in short, the stop loss ke se se dirisiwa to cut losses and then take profit just to collect what you have accumulated. For example, ha re ka bula trade yana re tla bula let's open jump 10. For example, jaaka re butse jump 10 so ha o ka re gongwe e tsamaya gone ha bore nnyaa trade ya ka ha ke e lebile gone ha e tsamaya. Let me use this in the tools. Ha o ka re ha trade ya ka ya go tsamaya go gongwe da for example wa assumile gore ya go tsena mo selong mo downtrending. Ha o re e tsena mo downtrend kana o reela gore ya sela ke re ya kwa tlase. So ha re ya go tsena mo downtrend o ta bo re nnyaa ha e tsamaya gone ha lining e high ke a e tswala like I'm collecting my profit. For example, let me say o tsene sell o tobeditse yo sell and then ha e tsamaya o ta bo re nnyaa ha ke tsaya profit ya ka at the same manner a ke wa ha e tsamang ha you collect your profit. So if this trade ya go tsamaya in the opposite way, it means that you are going to lose some money. Akere o rile ya sela o rile ya go ya kwa tlase. So if yone ya go ya go godimo ka re wa assumile gore ya go ya kwa tlase ha e le gore ya go ya go godimo from here, it means that you are going to get into losses. Like gona na e go godimo ha re bula gone ha ya go bontsha gore mo di losseng tsa 5 cent akere ke ya 0.5 cent. So if this thing is going to change ebe ya kwa tlase yana, it means that you are going to get into your profits. Akere ke tsaya gore la tlhaloganya. So for example, stop loss sa go ka se seta ha godimo ha gore no, if this thing ya go tsamaya against me ha e tsamayang ha lining ya ha godimo if it goes against me ha e tsamayang ha lining ya hae e bo e tswale ka di-loss ke se ka lwisa madi a mantsi. So that's is stop loss. At the same manner this is take profit. For example o tla bo re no, this thing ka gore ke asumile gore e tla tsena mo seleng ene ke e tsena mo seleng ke batla gore ga e tsamayang ha ebe ke tsaya madi a ka ebe ke collecta my profit. So you are going to set a take profit here. I think ke re bontshe mabane gore how do you set a take profit. So let me just show you again. Let's go to trade. Ke rile how editor, what do we call it, go modify akere o tabo swipe mo left so o bo tobetsa this icon ye so this icon ya pencil, you see this one, that's where you are going to close. You are going to press o tabo bula thing, you open here and then o bo set your stop loss here. O tabo o tsere the numbers tsa teng ka and then you take profit, you set it right here and then you press modify. After you do that o tabo press modify yo ko tlase yo mona ke. Yeah, there is modify ko tlase ka, you can check it, you'll see it. So that's where you're gonna press. Yeah, moving on, another thing ke kgang ya bo buy stop. Ke tsaya gore ha batho ba bangwe ha le familiar le kgang tsa bo buy stop, buy limit, sell stop, le itse gore go na le buy bo buy hela le bone. So this is where we see it. A ke re la bona gore go ha, let me do this, go ha go kwadilwe market execution. So this is where we are changing. For example, how about go place a buy stop or buy limit, o pressa gona go market execution. So and then these are your limits: buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop, you see. So let me just get this side ke le tlhalosetse gore le tlhaloganye sentle. So buy limit, ha re o seta buy limit, wa bore no ke lebile chart ya ka so chart e ka ha ke bonang ka teng ha e tsena ha ke beileng teng line o ra gore is going to turn around e be ya e change direction e be ya go godimo akere o tabo e ba gore no chart ha e tsamaya ya go change direction e be ya go godimo, which means wa go seta your buy limit here. It's just buy limit is just by the name gore wa limit, you are limiting the market to go down, so you are expecting it to go up again. And then we have what we called a buy stop, bo buy stop le bo sell stop. Ha re tsamayang teng, let me explain ka sell stop. Sell stop wa bore this market ha o tsamayang teng wa go heta go gongweya, mme ha o sena go heta yone line wa go tswella o ya ko tlase, which means you are going to place your sell stop right here, wa bona. Yeah, and then sell limit yone ke ha re nya market ke wa change o ya go godimo, so ka re wa go godimo ha o tsamaya at a certain level, ha o tsamaya ha wa go change bo ya ko morago, so you are going to place your sell limit gone, you see. And then same thing as the buy stop, o tabo re nya ke ya change ya baya gongwe ya baya re ya go godimo akere, let's say ya baya ya go godimo, you say no ha e tsamaya go gongwe ha ya go cross ya go heta ya go emanyana be wa e tswella ya go godimo, which means you are going to place your buy stop here. Ke gore ha re buy stop re ela gore ya go emanyana pele be heta bona, just by the name it's going to stop a bit and then it continue. And then same thing as the sell stop, ha ya be le mo selling khale ya be le mo downtrend, it means that ya go emanyana pele be wa e tswelela. Buy limit is just a change of direction from a downtrend to an uptrend, and then sell limit is a change of direction from this thing from uptrend to downtrend. ke tsaya gore la ntlhaloganya ke one other thing I can talk about here ke our synthetic. The advantage of this, advantage ya synthetic indices ke tsone di-codes tsa rona tse di mo Deriv tsotlhe tsone tse except tse dingwe mathase dinyananyana a ko taseng bone magatekeng tsa crypto bo USD what wa bona bo BTC what so these ones are not synthetic, but our synthetic bone bo di-volatility di-jump bo boom and crash. Advantage ya tsone ke gore they don't close market at how close, so you can trade it anytime. O kgona go tsoga ka 12 o trade, o kgona go tsoga anytime o trade, even ka bo 2 phakela anytime. The thing about it is that the synthetic, they are di-market tse e le gore they are already created, di santse di programilwe gale wa bona, so ga di tshwane le di-currency. Bo gold ke dilo tse e le gore di laolwa ke di-user, ke the people ba ba di dirisang wa bona gore e ya ko godimo o e ya ko tlase. But these things tse di-synthetic they are already created, ke gore the owner wa di-review santse a itse gore market wa jump 10 jaaka re bitse jump 10 yana o tla bontse ya like next week, o tla bontse ya next month, is already programmed gale wa bona for the whole year. So that's the good thing about it. And what could be the other thing? The other thing se le gore ga se cover ke kgang ya bo di-indicator. Guys, now I don't teach indicators. Yeah, nkile ka be ke di lekeletsa, but they did not work for me. They work for some people, yes, but they don't work for me. Indicator re di bona ke le bontshe. Di-indicator re di bona here. Ba bona go nyana mo ke tata letso bile mo nna letso ke gona re bona di-indicator tsa rona teng. Use this, yeah, this is where we see our indicators. So ha o bula teng di dintsi gone, ha o bula gone ha di dintsi jaaka o bona mothaka yo mongwe na o itse bo linga bende maabane di dintsi gone. The thing is that more trading there are so many strategies, even indicator ke di-strategy le tsone. There are so many strategies to trade. So ha o ka tsena ko YouTube o bo search di-strategy wa go ithela ile gore di ntsi, so you need to choose wa bona. You just have to choose one and stick to it for you to be successful. You cannot be successful now from a strategy to another strategy to another, because trading just a mind game wa bona. It's just a game which requires your mind to be fully active. So what we have to do is just to focus only on one thing and we invest the knowledge also. For example, about me, like a trader SMC, smart money concept, I'll share the knowledge after some time. Some people but trader CPI, ICT, what didn't even the indicator. So you just have to choose, guys. That's how you have to deal with it, because I was choose not confused. And I don't know what is the other thing that I did not cover, but for now, yeah, I think that is where thing. And then how's a thing, you can just hit me up if you did not understand something. And then below this video I'll place if you don't have a Deriv account, just open account on the link that I'll place down here. So that is it, my guys. Let's get it on.